Hi all, in this video we'll check out how you can add a lecture to your school on GradHut. So we are on our sales dashboard right now. All you have to do is just click on the lectures tab to reach the lectures listing page, which is this, and it is empty right now. So from here we click on this little green button called add lecture and up opens a pop-up. Enter a nice name for your lecture here. For demo purposes, let's add a quick lecture on guitar playing since our school is on music. So I'm going to add a title like 5 tips that will help you learn guitar 50% faster. This is like a cool clickbaity title that I've decided for my lecture. Click on save, and that's it. Your lecture is now added to your school and in the GradHut system. Now clicking on save takes you to the internal settings of this lecture, just like it would in terms of a lesson when you add a lesson into a course, right? So in here you add the video file for your lecture, right, by clicking on upload, and the same drill follows. You click on upload and our file manager opens up. You select files to upload. We click on upload. And done. Our video file is now uploaded into our lecture. Moving on to the next tab, which is text. Now under text, if you've got any additional text to supplement this lecture, like footnotes or any relevant explanations, you can add it in the form of text here. And you can also use these edit options, these formatting options to, prettify your text even further. Once you're done, just click on save and you'll be done. And lastly, we have the attachments tab. Now, many lectures may have some additional reference material or assignments supporting it. All those go in here. Just like you would attach a video file by clicking on upload under video, click on upload here to upload a PDF or a zip file of your references or assignments. When students access this lecture, they'll see these documents at the bottom of the lecture video that they can download or access. That's it. It's that simple to add a lecture to your school and list it as an individual sellable product. We click on view lectures to go back to our lecture listing page, and now you will see a brand new lecture here. Okay, and once you've added a pricing plan for your lecture, you can enable it right here to enable this lecture and to make it visible to your school, and students can start paying for it, and students can start purchasing it and accessing it. The private toggle, on the other hand, means that this lecture is enabled, but it is not shown on your school. It's a private lecture that you can privately share with your bunch of students by giving them its link. It's that simple. Now, you've seen how to add a lecture to your school, so go ahead, add one right away, and then move on to the next tabs that cover further details of this lecture to prepare it for sale. Thank you for watching this one. Bye-bye.